You need a lot of money to start a business. That's not true. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kayoan and I'm here to help you turn your business dreams into reality. Even if you're just out of school, don't have a job yet, or you just want to start with a small budget. If you're a recent graduate looking for work or ways to start earning without a lot of money up front, this is your right place. This channel is all about helping people like you starting their business or side hustle, no matter their financial situation. I know what's like facing challenges in finding a job right after graduation, and I know how stressful it can feel, but there is another way to move forward, starting something of your own. My goal here is to guide you on how to do that, how to build a business or a project from a small amount of capital, and how to grow it step by step. Let's start by breaking down a couple of myths that might be keeping you from making that first move. You need a lot of money to start a business. That's not true. Many people start small, as little as 50,000 or even less, and focus on building their business over time. You need a business degree or years of experience in order to succeed. Well, the best way to learn is by doing. This channel will show you on how to avoid common mistakes and how to start and build your business from what you already know. Starting small has a lot of advantages. First, you're not risking much and you are also learning along the way. You can experiment, test what works, and grow without needing a big budget. Plus, it's a way of making income while learning valuable skills that can help you in your future job or career. So, what's coming up? On this channel, you'll find step-by-step on starting a business with little money, tips on how to manage your budget, practical business ideas that don't require a lot of investment, and also how to build your income over time. I will also share stories on people who started out like you and made it happen. Whether you're looking to support yourself or just try out something new, there's something here for you to help you get started and stay motivated. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you don't need big budget to make a difference. You can start from what you have and grow it over time. Thank you. Please subscribe and make sure that you leave a comment. Tell me what you would like to know about launching a business with a small amount of capital, and also tell me the small businesses that you're interested in. And see you in the next one. Bye.